Nationalism. For establishing democracy and the rights of the people in the countries of the world, people have been inspired by these revolutions. These revolutions also strengthened the idea of nationalism. Nationalism and the formation of the nations were new developments. So the new developments are nationalism and the formation of new nations. We know of kingdoms and the emperors of the ancient and the medieval times. They were not nations in the sense in which we use the term today. Nations began to be formed when a people who had a long and a common history of inhabiting a definite territory began to consider themselves as one people dependent on one another and distinct from other people. During the medieval ages, the kings in most countries of Europe had very little power. The feudal lords were very powerful within their estates. Even the laws and the rules in one part of the country were different from those in the another part. Where there were empires, it was common for the ruler of one country to have some parts of other country also under his rule. The territories of the state often changed. Along with these changes in the social and the economic life, there was the beginning of a big political change. Countries which were divided in a number of states tried to unite themselves. So countries which were divided into number of states started uniting. Thus, different parts of a country were brought together as one state. In Europe, England and France were the first countries to emerge as independent and united states. In Europe, England and France were the first countries to emerge as an independent and united states. So they emerged as independent and united states. A country, part or the whole of which under the foreign domination began to struggle to overthrow the foreign rule and established itself as a united nation. In the 19th century, there were struggles for freedom and national unification in Poland, Greece, Germany, Italy and other countries of Europe. Many of these succeeded. For example, Italy and Germany in unifying themselves into nations. Others struggled and won their freedom.